What if I told you that your brain is wired to keep you exactly where you are unless you rewrite it? Science now proves that success isn't about luck or talent, but about reprogramming your brain for success. The best part? You don't need years of training or a genius-level IQ, just a few scientifically backed strategies that anyone can use. And in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Part 1. The science behind rewiring your brain. Your brain is like a supercomputer, and your thoughts are the software. Neuroscience calls this neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself based on experiences and repeated thoughts. This means that every belief, habit, or mindset you currently have was created through repetition, and it can be changed the same way. Every time you think a thought or do an action, your brain strengthens neural pathways. If you keep telling yourself, "I'm not good enough," or "success is hard," your brain wires itself to believe that. The more you repeat these thoughts, the stronger those neural connections become, making failure or struggle feel inevitable. But here's the exciting part. Just like updating software, you can rewrite these patterns and create a success-oriented mindset. Part 2. The 3-step formula to rewire your brain for success. Step 1. Interrupt negative thought patterns. Your brain is running on autopilot, repeating old stories that hold you back. The first step is catching those negative thoughts in the moment. Studies show that our brains process over 6,000 thoughts per day, many of them negative. When you hear yourself say, "I'm bad at this," pause and immediately reframe it. "I'm learning and improving." Neuroscience shows that breaking old patterns weakens them over time, making it easier to adopt empowering beliefs. Step 2. Visualize your future. Your brain can't tell the difference between real and imagined experiences. Elite athletes use mental rehearsal to improve performance, and you can do the same. Spend 5 minutes daily picturing your ideal future. Whether it's financial success, physical health, or unshakable confidence. Studies show that when you vividly visualize yourself achieving a goal, the same neural pathways fire as if you were actually experiencing it. The more you practice this, the more natural success will feel. Step 3. Take micro actions. Daily big changes overwhelm the brain, but small, consistent actions rewire it for success. Want confidence? Speak up once a day. Want wealth? Save a tiny amount daily. Neuroscientists call this habit stacking, where small changes snowball into major results. The key is to make these changes easy and repeatable so that your brain adopts them as second nature. Bonus tip: surround yourself with the right influences. Your environment shapes your brain more than you realize. If you're constantly around negative people, your brain adapts to that mindset. But if you expose yourself to successful, motivated individuals, whether in person, through books, or even videos, you start mirroring their behaviors and beliefs. This is called neural mirroring, and it's a powerful shortcut to rewiring your mindset for success. Your brain isn't fixed, it's a work in progress. Interrupt negative thoughts, visualize success, and take small daily actions, and you'll literally rewire your brain for success. Plus, don't forget the power of your environment. It plays a crucial role in shaping your success mindset. Now, if you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe for more life-changing insights.